Obviously, how the solo goes. The acoustic part. As soon as you hear that G note on the last, that D chord, you play. Dives down with the bar. I don't have a bar, but you can end it on the 15th fret like that. So that's how the solo goes. I'm going to break it down to you. The first part, you kind of rec down, use your index finger on the 12th fret on the D and G string. And you play the 15th fret on the B string, bend up from 15th to 17th fret. And release back down. Now, I use my pinky, but you can use your ring finger to bend, doesn't matter. And second fret on the high E, and the 13th fret on the B. 15th and 12th fret on the B string. And then 14th fret on the G string, pull off 12 to pull off 11. I'm sorry, pull off on 12 and slide down 11. Play the 12th fret on the G on the D string. So far with this. Play the 15th fret again on the B string, bend up full step to 17th fret. You hammer on the 17th fret on the B string, and then you release down that while you tab on, and then you pull on the 15th fret below. Again. And you tab on the 17th fret again. But you pull off on the 13th fret and the 12th fret on the B string. So it goes like this. Play 17th fret on the high E string, bend up full step to 19th fret, and release back down to 17th fret and play it again one time. Play 19th fret next on the high E string, bend up half step to the 20th fret, and you release back down. You kind of pick twice. And play a 20th fret on the high E string, bend up full step to your 22nd string, and you release back down, you pick it twice at the 20th fret. And then 19, 20, 19 on the E string, and the 20th on the B string. And then you bend up. Play the 20th fret on the B string, bend up, release down the 20th fret, and then 19th fret, and then 17th, 15th fret. So the last part again. The next part, bring up 15th fret on the 17th fret. And you release back down, you play 15th fret on the B string, pull off on 13, slide down to 12, and play 13 again, then pull off on 12. And play the 14th fret on the G string, and then bend up, full step. And then play 12th fret and G string, pull off, hammer on, pull off on 14th fret. You play 15th fret on the B string, bend up, full step. Hold it, and you pick it again. And release down. So the last part. again slowly one time. That's the whole solo, and that's the entire song. And thanks for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.